Knock knock. Who's there? A local area network discovery tool. Today we're going to be looking at who's there. That's the name of the command. And it's an application written in Golang, open source, available on GitHub, that allows you to find devices in your same network. It could be a network connected by Ethernet cables, so it could be a network that is connected by a Wi-Fi. It doesn't matter as long as it's a local network. You start from one device and you discover all other devices in the network very easily. So it has a terminal user interface. You can see here on the GitHub README file. You launch the command and opens a terminal user interface or a TUI. It also has other flags, so you can scan the network permanently and a few other things. Okay, so the discovery happens through a few different methods. So it uses MDNS, which is multicast DNS, and then another protocol which is SSDP. SSDP stands for Simple Service Discovery Protocol. Also uses ARP cache and a few other things. So essentially, it uses all these processes, protocols, and techniques to run unprivileged. So it doesn't need to run on a privileged mode. Now, enough talking. So let me show you how to run it. There is an instruction here somewhere. There are many different methods of installations depending on your operating system. Because I'm running on Linux, Ubuntu today, and I have Golang installed, I'm going to go with this. Go install the GitHub URL. Super simple. In fact, it's already installed, so it's not going to take, oh, well, looks like there are upgrades. Anyhow, who's there? Launching it. And you can see it's finding devices on my local area network from routers, doorbells, personal assistants, alarm clocks, home automation, radiators, thermostat. Yeah, I can of course open one of these devices, say the top one, and it's telling me the MAC address, manufacturer, when it was first seen, last seen, how this device was found. And I said before, it uses ARP and SSDP, the Simple Service Discovery Protocol. If there are any open ports, and you can launch the port scan if you want to. So if I do P, okay, it's going to scan for those ports. Last port scan was today, right now, and it found 80 and 443. I can go back and do the same with another one, say this Amazon. So this is one of the Alexa devices, and that's pretty much it. It's a very simple tool. Of course, you can get all this information running a bunch of commands on your terminal, but sometimes it's better just to see it in a tabular form like this, in a table, in a user interface, being able to use the arrow keys up and down, enter to dig in and see more information. So I appreciate the tool. I think it's a nice and well-developed tool, and hopefully you like it too. Thank you very much. Bye bye.